Welcome to the informational session about our graduate programs in digital transformation and innovation and cybersecurity and digital forensics. I'm Dr. Zamira Simkins, and I have the pleasure to serve as the Interim Dean of the Brown School of Business and Leadership and a Graduate Program Director of the 3 programs listed on this slide. Unfortunately, I'm not able to meet with you live today, so I recorded this informational video for you and will be happy to meet with you and answer any questions you might have. Please email me or book an appointment with me using the QR code shown below my photo. First, let me tell you about our Digital Transformation and Innovation Program. It is designed for professionals who wish to advance their career by leading people and projects in a way that utilize technology to improve and optimize their organization's performance. If your employer requires that you obtain a graduate degree for promotion purposes and you are in IT or a business field, this degree would be a perfect means for you to attain that promotion. You do not need hard technical skills for this program. Rather than you need to have an idea or a vision for using technologies such as automation or artificial intelligence to transform and grow a business. Think back about when we used to purchase hard books from stores like Barnes and Nobles. And then Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, came up with a revolutionary idea to promote ebooks such as Kindle books. When he first came up with that idea, everybody laughed at him and didn't think that this product would be viable. However, nowadays, most of the books we purchase are ebooks because they're convenient, we can access them on any device, and most importantly, they're much cheaper than printed books. Similarly, nowadays, companies are looking to leverage artificial intelligence and other technologies to increase productivity and reduce costs. Now, there are probably not that many people like Jeff Bezos who have a vision and promote it to the point where it becomes a successful product. Having said that, just because you don't have as much money as he did or as big of an idea as he did, it doesn't mean that you cannot find ways to leverage technology to improve your organization or a company. By taking required courses shown on the slide, as well as choosing a track, either as emerging technology track or innovative leadership track, you will be equipped and trained in identifying the strengths and weaknesses of an organization and identifying potential ways the current technologies can be used to improve on the processes that companies or organizations follow. After completing the required courses, ultimately you will take DTI 701 and 702 courses in which you will come up with your own idea and a digital transformation strategy for either a company you're working for or a business you own or one of the other companies that you are interested in studying, and propose potential solutions or ways they can improve on how they're doing things. Next, I would like to tell you about our Graduate Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics program. It is an extremely unique program because it combines both cybersecurity and digital forensics curriculum into one degree program, whereas most other universities only focus on cybersecurity or digital forensics. It is a very hands-on program, and upon completing the courses, students develop hard technical skills in using leading industry tools such as NCASE and Axiom that we provide to our students at no cost through the virtual machine environment built into the courses. Overall, the purpose of this program is to equip graduates with hands-on cybersecurity and digital forensic skills, such as identifying security vulnerabilities and proposing solutions, collecting, preserving, and analyzing digital evidence, and developing cybersecurity policy for organizations. Upon graduating, our graduates go into a public and private sector into roles such as information security officer, cybersecurity manager, information CIO, and digital forensics investigator. The courses required for the Graduate Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics program are listed on the slide. Students will typically start by taking one of the forensics courses, then go into the Windows Forensic Examination course, file system forensic analysis, and so forth. At the end of the program, all students will take a mock intrusion and response course in which they analyze a compromised digital asset, identify how hackers penetrated it, what they stole, and so forth. The faculty in this program are all industry professionals with extensive private and public sector experience and top security clearances. Students who pursue this program typically do so because they're seeking high-level positions in the organizations, and then many actually work for Department of Defense, NSA, CIA, and have top roles in companies such as Northrop Grumman, Exxon, and so forth. Needless to say, employment opportunities and pay are plentiful and generous for the graduates of the program, and I will share some resources with you where you can find salary and other labor market information for this program shortly. If you don't have time or opportunity to complete our full cybersecurity and digital forensics master's program, you can always pursue a digital forensics certificate, which will prepare you to perform digital forensic analysis of assets. This program only has 6 courses, 3 of which come from their cybersecurity and digital forensics program, and the other 3 come from our forensic studies program. Now that you know more about the curriculum of our programs, I would like to share with you 3 tools you can use to research what kind of return on education and investment you can expect after completing our degree programs. The first 2 websites, OnLet Online and BLS Occupational Outlook, describe what type of tasks you will perform when doing a certain job, what knowledge, skills, and abilities employers require for specific job occupations, and also how much you could potentially make on average. Finally, the NATE salary calculator is probably the most powerful tool when it comes to finding fair salary ranges for a particular occupation in a particular geographic location for someone with a specific number of years of experience in a particular degree. I highly encourage you to check out the salary calculator, enter the occupation you are interested in or doing, and then fill out the geographical GPA and other information that they're looking for. And the result that you will see on the screen will show you the 10th bottom percentile for a salary, which is what someone would typically make at the entry after completing their bachelor's degree into a particular field. And then the top 90th percentile typically shows a salary of somebody who is very experienced in a particular area. And then based on the information you entered, the calculator will show you what you could fairly and realistically earn for the position based on the information that you entered. I highly encourage you to check these tools out and use them to negotiate fair compensation for yourself when you are positioned to negotiate a salary. Now that you know about the curriculum of our programs and what kind of a return you can earn on the education and investment you are making, let me tell you how Stevenson University Online can partner with you to support your professional success. Not only the programs we offer are accredited and career focused with a high return on an investment, they are also extremely affordable. If you compare the cost of our tuition and fees to other universities, you will find them to be extremely competitive. The courses that we offer in these programs are in 8-week asynchronous online format, so they're convenient and flexible for you to complete either from the comfort of your home or at the time when you have opportunity to do your work. As long as you complete the work in the respective week when the assignments are due, You manage your own time and your priorities according to your schedule. Finally, because our faculty and success coaches are always happy to meet with you via video conference, you will have personalized support both from instructors and your academic support staff. If you have any questions about applying for one of these programs, please contact Elena Owens, our enrollment counselor. Her contact information is shown on the slide. If you have questions about the courses, when they're offered or in what sequence you should be taking them, please contact Maureen Marshall, our student success coach. I hope you find this informational session useful. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email me or scan the QR code on my photo to schedule a one-on-one appointment with me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have.